I wore Crocs every day for 3 months, and this is what happened. These are the pros and cons of wearing Crocs. Fit and comfort. First of all, Crocs are very comfortable. When you put your feet in them in this foam, they are very, very comfortable. It's actually very shocking and surprising how comfortable these are. There are plenty of holes, so there's plenty of breathability when you wear your Crocs. I personally wear them with socks. They're still very breathable. If you were going to wear them without socks, I would imagine your foot would sweat a little bit because of the foam material, but they'll be very breathable with all of these holes that are on the upper. Crocs do fit true to size, in my opinion. However, if you want a little bit of extra room, you don't want your foot bulged in there, you don't want your ankle or the back of your foot really hanging off at all, I would recommend going up a size. But if you want to go true to size, you certainly can. Just expect a little bit tighter of a fit. This video is sponsored by Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags on earth. As you guys can see, this bag holds up to 4 pairs of sneakers. You also have room for your clothes, laptop, chargers, everything you need inside of this one bag. These dividers come out, they move around. You can put everything you need. There's plenty and plenty of space. You also have room on the side of the bag, both sides as well. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. They also make backpacks, luggage bags, all sorts of bags for when you're traveling. Click my link down below in the description. Use my promo code DannyMoore for 40% off your order. And if you guys hurry up right now, you guys can actually get 60 to 70% off by clicking the top link in the description. Trust me, you guys are gonna fall in love with their bags, I promise you. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the world. If you're someone who loves to wear slides, sandals, anything of that, you're not really into sneakers so much, you don't want to wear shoes every day, well, I do recommend going with a pair of Crocs because they will give you that slide-like feeling that's very comfortable, but it is a little bit more secure than slides because of this strap. So if you want, you could peel back the strap, put your foot in there, and basically lock it into place. I believe they call it sport mode, where basically you could do anything in the Crocs. I wouldn't recommend actually playing sports in them, but I would recommend, if you want to, for a tighter fit, to make sure that they're not going to go anywhere, and you don't want the slide-like feel, you actually want to be more secure, you can go ahead and peel this back and put your foot in there, and doing so will keep your foot more in place, and you'll be very, very comfortable, all good to go throughout the day with your Crocs. Me personally, I don't wear Crocs outside. It's not something I'm gonna wear outside. I would walk the dog in them, that's about it. That's as much as I've done in the past 3 months. Walk the dog, that's it. Crocs are not something that I'm just gonna wear, throw on, and go everywhere in. It's more so a house slipper for me personally, and I highly recommend them if you're looking for something just to wear around the house, do casual little things, maybe outside. I wouldn't do yard work in them. I wouldn't really go out to the mall, a store, none of that. For me personally, it's more of a house shoe to keep my feet warm and comfortable when I'm walking around the house, and as well as walking the dog. That's basically my extent of what I've done with the Crocs over the past 3 months. One big advantage that Crocs have over slides or any other type of footwear in that realm, sandals, they have grip. So you have grip on the outsole as well as on the inside of the Croc as well. So your foot has tons and tons of grip the entire time, making them very comfortable and very good to the ground. I have no complaints about how Crocs fit. They're very comfortable, and over the past 3 months, they've been a joy, an honest joy to wear around the house. I do not recommend at all wearing them in the rain, the snow, the slush, any really nasty weather. Crocs are a no-go because your feet are gonna get soaked with those ventilation holes. Overall, the structure is pretty good. As you guys can see, they don't bend a lot. There is a little give to them, but they are pretty firm, and this foam is very, very comfortable on the Croc. I was pleasantly surprised when I first put them on how comfortable Crocs are. They don't seem very comfortable when you hold them in your hand. It's just foam. It's just very, very soft. But I will say they are very comfortable, and it's very shocking to me how comfortable they are. The more I've worn them, the more comfortable they are. I will say they were comfortable right as soon as I put them on feet. The comfort has not stopped at all over the past 3 months of wearing Crocs. They're still extremely comfortable to this day, and that's great to say because I was not expecting these to really last that long. They are not that expensive. I mean, for what you're getting, it is a little bit. You can get Crocs for anywhere from like $40, $70, all the way up there, depending on what Croc you get. Would I recommend paying resale on a pair of Crocs? Probably not. But I do recommend getting them for retail if it's something you're into. If you're looking for that nice house shoe, something just to wear, throw on. If you wear slides a lot, if you wear sandals a lot, I recommend trying Crocs. I think you guys will truly enjoy them and get a lot of miles out of your Crocs. So these are the Lightning McQueen Crocs, but don't worry, Crocs come in a ton of colors. There's gonna be a color out there for you. The Crocs are very easy to wear, I must say. They're very easy to wear, very easy to put on, take off, your feet will slide right in, right out. Very, very simple. Crocs have definitely surprised me over the past 3 months. I was not expecting to like the Crocs as much as I really have. As far as durability, I haven't worn them outside, so I am expecting these to last a long time because I am taking care of them. I'm not wearing them outside. I'm just basically wearing them as house slippers, so I do expect them to last a while, and so far, so good. 3 months in, and to be honest, they look almost brand new. They feel pretty much brand new still because I've been taking care of them. I have cleaned them only twice. Very, very easy to clean the Crocs. Just make sure when you clean them that you give it time to dry on the inside because you do not want to get your socks wet if you're going to wear them with socks. If you're not wearing them with socks, hey, by all the power to you, go ahead and do you and wear your Crocs comfortably. I don't think Crocs by far are the best looking shoe like this, but as far as comfortability and people knowing the brand, knowing what's on your feet, I recommend buying Crocs. If you truly are looking for a shoe like this in your wardrobe, I think Crocs are a good way to go. For everyday use, just make sure you guys take care of them. If you're going to wear them outside, you will run through pairs faster because the outsole is going to get dirty, disgusting, and eventually, break down. But I will highly recommend Crocs. For house wearers around the house, I think Crocs are a great go-to. With a lot of Crocs out there, you're able to put these things on them. I forgot off the top of my head what they're called. Leave a comment, let me know. But you're able to put those dubris, I'll call them. You're able to put them and customize your Crocs. Here on the Lightning McQueens, I have not done that. Personally, I'm not really into that. I think it's a little too flashy and just too much. Plus, they will fall off, and I just don't want to go through that. So I've just been wearing my Crocs just like this, just the way they are, and this is how I personally like it anyway. I think it tones it down a little bit and doesn't give it as much flash, as much pop with those charms or whatever you guys want to call them that are usually on people's Crocs. It is cool that you can customize them. I know you can buy them, put them on the Crocs, and I know a lot of people are into that, but for me personally, I just didn't want to get that much into it. I also didn't want to have to worry about losing them. I don't think Crocs are really the footwear that you can wear to really go out in, go to a nice dinner, show off maybe a little bit. My favorite feature about the Crocs is how comfortable and bouncy they are when they're on your foot. So when you put your foot in, they go in this foam, right? And it's just very, very comfortable. It's as comfortable as Yeezy slides. It feels like that almost, but more secure to your foot. Especially with the strap, when you strap it up, it's so more secure than your traditional regular slide. These are an upgrade, in my opinion, from regular slides. Any slides out there in the market, I feel like Crocs are basically an upgrade. Not quite a sneaker, but not a slide or a sandal either, more in between. Let me know down below in the comments if you own a pair of Crocs. If you do, what color? Or if you're looking to pick up a pair, what colorway are you looking to pick up? If you guys can get this video up to 1,000 likes, that's a lot of likes for a Crocs video. If you guys can get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'll give away a pair of the Lightning McQueen Crocs so that you guys can try them out for yourselves. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Comment down below your size. And then DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot. Send me proof that you guys subscribed. And if this video gets that 1,000 like goal, I'll pick one of you guys to send a free pair of Lightning McCrocs so you guys can try them out for yourselves. Make sure you guys check out Crocs if you're looking for that comfortable slide-like feel without actually buying slides. They actually have more support than slides, and you're looking not to break the bank, but you just want a nice, overall, good-fitting, comfortable footwear right here. I highly recommend checking out Crocs. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.